Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video on Adam's Toyland. Today, I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic ring-tailed lemur. According to the Zaboomafoo episode Happy Lemur Day, ring-tailed lemurs have at least 20 rings on its tail. In lemur society, females are the leaders of the group. Ring-tailed lemurs have scent glands on their chests and wrists to mark their territories. And another thing that the ring-tailed lemurs use their stink glands for are stink fights. The stink fights actually break out almost in any reason. One example of this is one troop of lemurs is defending their territory from another troop, or if they actually use their stink fights to get what they want. Lemur stink is not really smelly to a person, but it's very stinky to a lemur. Ring-tailed lemur troops usually range to 6 to 25 individuals in a single group, but there have been ring-tailed lemur groups recorded to have 30 members. Ring-tailed lemurs, like all lemurs, they have a cool mechanism in their mouths. They actually have a tooth comb that they use to brush each other's fur, and that tooth comb is used for grooming. The 4 little bottom teeth in the lemur's mouth makes the tooth comb. Only lemurs have this little mechanism in their mouths. It's actually pretty cool. Ring-tailed lemurs are one of the few lemur species that are comfortable being on the ground and in the trees. Ring-tailed lemurs eat fruit, leaves, flowers, sap, and tree bark. Although the ring-tailed lemur spends its time in both the trees and on the ground, the ring-tailed lemur spends most of its time on the ground, then in the trees. The natural predators of the ring-tailed lemur are fossas, the Madagascar harrier hawk, the Madagascar buzzard, and the Madagascar ground boa. The average weight of the ring-tailed lemur is 4.9 pounds. Unfortunately, the ring-tailed lemur is endangered because of human-induced habitat loss, degradation, and in some regions, the ring-tailed lemur is hunted with dogs for food, and it is also unfortunately found in the illegal pet trade. The population of the ring-tailed lemur is 2,400 individuals remaining. We need to save the ring-tailed lemur from extinction. To the creature rescue! All lemur species are only found on the African island of Madagascar. How the ring-tailed lemur gets around is in the following ways: walking and leaping. There are 105 lemur species in the world. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic ring-tailed lemur a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like ring-tailed lemurs, Wild Republic, primates, lemurs, animals that live in Madagascar, and endangered animals. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving Wild Republic lemurs. See you later. Bye.